Oh, hello. My name's Alex and I am a member of the core Argo team. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of a new feature coming into Argo CD version 1.3, which we've called First Class Helm Support. Now, in previous versions of Argo, you're only able to create applications from Git repositories. Now you had to create applications from Helm repositories, and I'll show you how that works. First thing you need to do is simply go into the repositories tab and register your Helm repository. Now you can see that we now have new types of repository listed in this interface that are not Git repositories, and I've got the stable and Bitnami repositories listed in this application. I go and create application, and you can do this in a couple of different ways. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Sonar application from the Kubernetes repository. You'll see that it's marked here as Helm. I can just find my chart in here using autocomplete and choose a specific version from this drop down here. Argo CD will automatically detect it as a Helm file, and you have to choose whatever kind of overrides and parameters that you want here. I'll just click create and off it goes. You'll see here's the application. We know exactly where we are, and we're just going to deploy that application as normal. And you'll see that it creates normal resources as expected. So that's one new way to support Helm applications. The other way is that we've actually enhanced the support for Helm hooks. Things like pre-install and post-install hooks are now supported by default, and also a new type of hook deletion policy called before creation. I'll show you an example of that using our demonstration repository. Oops, it says having misspelled it. Here's my application now, and if I just click sync, this application is meant to provide an example of using Helm hooks. So the first time I execute the application, it's going to run this upgrade SQL schema. And this is annotated with standard Helm pre-installed hook, and also a hook weight of -2 to indicate it should be executed before -1, 0, and so forth. When that completes, a new maintenance page is created, and then after that, the front end will come up and followed by the back end. And finally, it will just take the maintenance page down at the end of the process. If we have a look at this hook here, this uses before hook creation. So this one will be deleted every time it's run, which is quite useful for things where you want to keep that resource around to investigate, but you perhaps don't want to keep it long term. You just want to keep it for one synchronization cycle. So I'll just run it again here, and we're going to go back into synchronization state, and you'll see that now we've got two upgrade SQL schemas. So what I've done here is, because I wanted to keep a history of the old SQL schema upgrades, just in case there was something going back 2 or 3 versions, then they're kept around. And before the maintenance page is put up, we delete the old job and we actually rerun the new job. So at this point, the old job has been deleted, the new job runs, and we do the same with the new maintenance page. Okay, that was a review of Helm and Helm hooks features in Argo CD 1.3.